XRP holders, let's go. This is Hamza with Trading Secrets. I hope you all are having a wonderful day filled with health, wealth, and happiness. Hey guys, if you find any value in the content I create, click on the subscribe button. I've been trading for the last 20 years. Right here on this channel, I'll be sharing my journey with you all so you don't have to learn it the hard way. I've traded stocks, crypto, real estate, merchandise. Without any further ado, let's get into it, guys. Today I want to talk about XRP because XRP, guys, it's one of those coins that gets me excited. I am an XRP holder. I started buying recently. It's one of those coins that always finds its way back into the conversations. You know, it's always, whether it's pumping, dumping, it's in another legal battle, whatever it is, right? But what is it that makes it so popular? All right, guys, XRP is a crypto which is built for fast payments, right? It's designed to move money across borders in seconds. It's way faster than banks or any other crypto, maybe like Bitcoin. Maybe there are some others that are faster, but they don't do exactly what XRP does, right? Because XRP, it's super low fees. They're sending XRP usually costs like a tiny amount, and it's just amazing for quick transfers, especially for banks and institutions, right? It's not so much for the individuals, but for banks, especially if you are aware of how settlement works, right? XRP can be used for settlement, right? So Ripple, that's the parent company that owns XRP, and you know they're just not trying to replace the financial system. They're trying to incorporate with it, right? That's why you'll see the XRP, they're already working with a lot of banks. The banks are actually very, very bullish on XRP. They're very interested in working with XRP because guys, it's providing a real life utility, right? It's a real use case. Unlike many cryptos, it actually has a real use case, right? The banks want to adapt to this technology. They want to adopt XRP because the advantages that it's bringing to the table, especially with the settlement and the speed and everything that they're doing, right? And after the SEC case, right, people were thinking it's done and dusted. The price got smacked down. Everything was very gloomy for XRP, but then guess what? They won the case, and then XRP, it just made a rebound, right? And then in the process, it created a community. And you know, guys, you know what? You love it or hate it, XRP has one of the most loyal and vocal communities in the crypto world. It's like the Tesla, of crypto, right? That's what I always say. So guys, XRP, this was just, I'm gonna go in more detail on what it does, but this was just like an intro video that I want to do on XRP because I just like what they're doing, right? I just like what Ripple is doing with XRP, and you know there's all these other amazing things that are in store for XRP in the coming years, and as they mature. I mean, guys, remember the price action never it reflects what's happening on a crypto or a stock, right? So these are two different things. There can be companies, there can be stocks which are, there can be crypto which are doing really good work on the back end, but the price is not reflecting it. So I'm not going to comment on the price action, right? I'm just going to talk about what XRP does, what the future holds for it. And guys, I'm very excited about XRP. Comment down below, like the video if you guys are excited about XRP, is just like I am. Hey guys, if you watched this far, make sure to subscribe to the channel. I will see you all next time. I hope you have a wonderful day.